This house is in terrible shape. Not surprised. I almost think it's a knockdown. You have a lot of land, and you could do something with it. This foundation is falling apart over here. Looks like somebody tried to fix it, but it's totally smoked. This porch is totally sunken in. Oh, it's just a video for the contractor. He's gonna say knock it down. This whole side of the house is just falling down. The foundations.
The whole first floors are up and down everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, that's like
maybe if this was level, you could say, okay, maybe we could make it worth ripping off the top.
Yeah, pop the top, right.
There's literally not one thing here that's salvageable.
I mean, maybe you could salvage, I don't know. If you can jack this up, but then you gotta really jack up the whole house to fix the foundation.
I'm saying you're jacking up here, then you're jacking up over here, like, you know what I mean? It's like one of those things where...
Oh, and another...
Yeah, you go down a bit. Yeah.
Careful.
When we were here yesterday, we didn't bother just because...
I got a flashlight, yeah. Oh boy.
Careful on the stairs, I don't know the condition of the stairs.
Watch your head. Jesus. Well, you're not finishing this basement, I don't think.
Let's see where the pipe goes down. Go here. You can see like somebody did something, see?
Tried to do something.
Somebody did something here.
Where is this? So this is over here. Oh, I got a pipe in my way.
Got knob and tube.
Yeah, I gotta say, this is just worth the value of the land.
Yeah, this
That's it.
literally not worth anything.
Yes, you go down, yeah.
This is where it's falling down, yeah.
But the foundation's
I'm
good.
trying to see where it's...
Those sills.
Doesn't look that great on the outside.
So is it those sills? Are they all rotted?
Wow, the foundation's good. Look at that.
You can see right through them. I found the sills are, yeah, shot. You can see right through.
You can see over here.
Yeah.
They run some lag bolts and shit to try and. I don't know what they were trying to do exactly, but.
Yeah, not good.
And this whole structure is.
It's just done.
Yep. This is literally a tear down.
It might be overpriced at 57. Is it all wet here? It's a little wet here.
57. You got town water.
Oh, here's the panel.
Town water, town sewer, and gas. 57 is probably in the ballpark of the value of the land.
How much the water, the gas?
So you got town, the gas and water and sewer, all that's here already. I don't know what it costs to run that, but usually it's
It's a 100 amp panel. There's just nothing here. This is a waste of time. Just free floating electrical. Oh, Jesus. And we go upstairs. And you have this immediate thing, you hit your head right here. This is terrible. This house sucks. It's really low. It's a very strange configuration. You have bedrooms downstairs. You have a big up here. I don't know what's with the camo, but whatever. It's a total gut, 100%. Need the dormer out the roof. All right, that's it. This house is terrible. It's a tear down.